is Bitcoin's dump finally over? Because I am using technical analysis to see that we have some huge support levels and a lot of indicators proving that Bitcoin could be stopping right now. I believe this is going to be a very interesting video, so watch to the end, and it would be nice for me if you leave a like down below and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get straight into the video. As you can see, Bitcoin has fallen down for a long time already, all the way from when we stopped at $69,000, and we'll have already fallen a lot, 74%. And we fell all the way down to 17,600, a price level that many believe that we will not reach. But the thing is, we have reached something crazy, including something that I believe we would not reach, because we broke out a couple months ago out of this huge pattern. This pattern is, of course, a bear flag. At the time being, I thought this was just a regular channel. We're going to fall about to $33,000. But of course, we fell for much more than that. Of course, we reached $33,000, but then we tapped it as resistance and fell farther. The thing is, this level that we fell down to is a massive one, because if we go on the weekly time frame and we look at the candles that we took when we dumped from 69,000 to enter this bear flag, you can see that the candles measure this high. And then if we grab it and we measure from the candles from here, you can see that we tapped exactly the same level as what we were supposed to fall down to. We tapped 17,600, which was the target of the level we would fall down to if we would have broken out of this falling wedge, and that is exactly what we did. That is why we fell down to $17,400. Right now we are trying to confirm support at the $20,000 level, specifically the $19,600 level, the level that Bitcoin's previous all-time high was at, 19,600. Back over here in 2017 when Bitcoin pumped up to 19,600, that is where it was stopped, and it fell down, not being able to break it until November of 2020. And now we are testing this level again, a level that we thought we're not going to test ever again. But we could be confirming support right now. This is a crazy level that we are at right now. The reason we stopped here is not just because it's the $19,600 level, which is a very psychological level, but it is also backed by the Fibonacci Retracement, a level I have not used in a very, very long time. As you guys can see, the previous levels have been broken, like the 0.236, 0.32, 0.5, the golden level, 0.7, but this level, the 0.786, this is the last level on this Fibonacci retracement before we would fall down all the way to the COVID price area, which is the bottom of that Fibonacci retracement level. Anyway, if we break this level, we will have no Fibonacci retracement. But the thing is, I don't think we will, because this is a very strong Fibonacci level. As you can see, these price levels are matching with a lot of real-life price levels for Bitcoin. As you can see, this golden retracement right over here, 0.618, was the place where we tapped at about $30,000 in confirmed support. Same thing where we tapped it over here, even though we broke it. The 0.5 level was a huge level also, making us stop and have this actual bear flag. The 0.382 was a huge level, making us stop from dumping by saving us and letting us confirm support and pump all the way to $69,000. The point is, this Fibonacci retracement is a very important one. As you can see, it actually works. And so if we confirm support at the 0.786 level and start to go up, this will be a very big support level for us to confirm support at. Not only that, but like I said before, we have a huge support level, which is what traders have been using to confirm support, and all the people in the market, that huge support level that we are testing right now, the $20,000 level, where Bitcoin's previous all-time high was at. That is a very big psychological level, which is why I believe that this could be the end. And also, this is of course the weekly time frame, which means indicators like the RSI are super big and super important. And if I turn them on, you can see that this indicator, something called the RSI, and this indicator, the stochastic RSI, are both super low in the price charts. This RSI is at 26, and this stochastic RSI is at 0. When they are this low, this means that it's an incredible buy. What it means is that the market is super oversold. People are selling like crazy. That is super big, and that is super bullish, because when people sell like crazy, that is when you should start to buy, because it is going to end soon. Not only that, but one of the probably the most craziest reason that I think we are done falling down is because of something called volume. As you can see, every single time we have fallen in the past, we have always ended with huge volume. As you can see, this dump that we used to fall from 64 down to $30,000, when we ended and we had our last candle, we had huge volume right over here. Right over here at the COVID dump, when we ended, we had huge volume, huge red volume. But as soon as that red volume had been reached, we started to go up. Before that, when we fell at the COVID dump, we had a huge break after this huge volume. The dump that we had from $20,000 to $3,000 was ended by huge red volume. And right now, we are having huge, and I mean big, huge red volume once again. Could this red volume stop Bitcoin? Could it be a sign that we should buy in? I believe so. But we do have some issues still. We have huge moving averages that are being broken day by day and night by night. As you can see, all the weekly moving averages are broken, and including the 200-week moving average, which has been recently broken. But we still have a chance to confirm support on it. If we manage to pump up and instead of confirming resistance, break above it and confirm support, this could save our moving averages. But if we do confirm resistance, which we might be seeing like we're doing it, then we won't be able to use the weekly moving averages for this dump, which is crazy because we probably never had that ever before. This is something new. Now, that means that we would have to go on the monthly time frame. And if we go on the monthly time frame, you can see that the 50-month moving average has been recently broken. Of course, the candle is still not closed, which is something that needs to be closed. And as you can see, we have 18 days until it closes. But will that be enough to make the candle pump up and make this just a fake down and make us confirm support? If that does happen, we could of course be saved by this huge support. And this huge support could be another reason for us to pump up. We will have such a strong foothold that when Bitcoin confirms support at this level, we could shoot up like nothing ever seen before. We will pump so fast like nothing ever seen before because we have so much huge support and we have so much good and strong buyers that will start pumping Bitcoin back up. I am pretty sure that this is the end. And even though this will not be instant, this is the turning point for Bitcoin, and I believe that we will start to go up. Watch Bitcoin, see where it's gonna go, because I think that this is a great place to buy. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update. If you did, leave a like down below, please. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!